Hello, and welcome to this video that explains how to properly install and commission the Tigo GO Junction. The GO Junction is the perfect heat pump controller for a Tigo EI residential system, and must be used only with the Tigo EI inverter. While the system does not require a shutdown for the GO Junction installation, it's crucial to exercise caution as you'll be working near hazardous voltage. Safety should always be a top priority. We must first update the inverter software using the Tigo Energy Intelligence app before installing the GO Junction. The EI app is found in the App Store and Google Play. Open the app and log in, or register if you are a new user. You must be in front of the inverter to begin this process. Once logged in, at the System Overview screen, tap the gear icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Next, tap Edit System. Select Equipment. Inverters. View details. And connect. You are now Bluetooth connected to the inverter. If firmware update appears in the menu, tap on the bar, and then tap Start Update. Once the firmware update is complete, tap Inverter Settings, Advanced Settings, and then GO Junction. Tap the Add icon on the lower right corner to add the GO Junction to the EI system. Lastly, scan the barcode on the side of the GO Junction, then tap Save. Now, we can begin the physical installation. If installing the GO Junction in a system with a Tigo GO EV charger, open the EV charger's wiring area and carefully slide out the wiring harness. Please refer to the applicable quick start guides or online installation manuals for detailed instructions. A GO Junction retrofit may use the same communication cables previously installed. However, if installing the GO Junction with a new EI system, you will need to procure your own cables. This simple wiring diagram, found in the GO Junction Quick Start Guide, assists with wire connections within the Tigo EI system. Disconnect the existing communication cable between the inverter and link COM ports. Connect the inverter update port to the EI link COM port, using the communication cable adapter shown here. Now, connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the inverter COM port, and the other end to the GO Junction's inverter RJ45 terminal, as shown here. Next, connect a low-voltage conductor pair between the heat pump and the GO Junction heat pump terminal. Connect the GO EV charger COM port to the GO Junction EV charger terminal, using a Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Installation and commissioning are complete. Please contact Tigo Customer Success with any questions about the GO Junction. Thank you for watching.